You work hard. You do. I see it. I see you. I don't really see you because the lights are really bright up here, but rest assured, you are seen. But here's the question. Do you work good? Are you shipping great software? Are you taking care of yourself? Are you taking care of your mental health? Are we getting out of this what we're putting into it? And I really scratch that because we don't do this as individuals. We do this in a team. Is our team supporting us? Is our team process doing what we need to be successful? Is our organization doing the right thing to succeed and do right by our customers and by us as employees? Maybe we need a moment to reflect, like a sprint retrospective, but in aggregate, a retrospective of retrospectives. Or even better, what if we could do a retrospective across all of us? DORA is a research group, and since 2014, we've been reflecting on software engineering at scale. We've been part of Google Cloud since 2018, and we're continuing to run the longest and largest research project of its kind. We have a team of researchers. These are folks with PhDs in Jupyter notebooks. And people like me, I'm a developer advocate. My name's Dave Stanke. I'm a guy with a big mouth and a slide deck. Every year, we do a survey of engineers, of operations folks, UX, tech writers, product and project managers, all over the world, all different organization sizes, all different industries. And we take that data and we crunch it into a model called a structural equation model. And this is an analytical model that lets us understand the predictive influence of these entities, the things we do, and what kind of outcomes we get. Those outcomes include organizational effects like profitability or your not-for-profit mission, as well as things like burnout rates and other human factors. We publish a report every year, the State of DevOps report. The most recent is 2022, and you can grab it at that bit.ly link. But it's 2023 now, so what's next? Well, we are running our annual survey right now, and I would like to encourage everyone here to participate. You can find it at dora.dev/survey, and it takes about 15 minutes, and we're going to ask you a series of questions about the way you work and the kind of outcomes you get out of it. And more than contributing to the data, contributing to our collective understanding, it's a really great way to reflect on yourself. Ask yourself these questions. Ask these of your team. So I want to talk a little about some of the areas that we investigate. These are some of the things that we've done year over year, some of the perennial things related to culture, process, and technology. So looking at culture, one of the things we do is we use the Westrum organizational typology. And this was a model developed by a sociologist named Ron Westrum and his team. And it looks at the way that information moves through an organization and things like psychological safety and trust. What we find is that generative culture predicts software delivery success. We look at things like process. For example, change approvals. What does it take to get a change to your infrastructure or even just your code into prod? How many layers do we have to navigate? We find that streamlined change approvals predict software delivery success. And technology, of course, tools and techniques. So one of the things that lies at the nexus of our structural equation model is continuous delivery, the ability to get changes into production quickly and safely at any time of day. We find that continuous delivery predicts software delivery performance. We also, every year, do a few special topics. We look at things that might be topical or emergent, so security, reliability, documentation, and of course this year we're looking a bit at AI. One of our most durable findings, and if you hear the word DORA, most likely you've heard of this, is ways of measurement. We found that there are reliable metrics that we can use to measure our software delivery performance, and that teams that succeed on those metrics, 2 for stability, 2 for throughput, are delivering more value to their organizations. So look, the most important thing we have, the most important tool is our intuition, our judgment. But what data is that based on? You have your experience. But we can also base it on a collective understanding and working together here. So we can be the data. You can take the survey today. It takes about 15 minutes. You can do it on your phone. Not right now. Eyes up here. But lunchtime, happy hour, whatever you want to do it. It takes just a few minutes, and I really encourage everyone here to participate and to reflect. So find it at dora.dev/survey. It's available in English and Japanese. Portuguese is just about to launch. We have a couple other languages coming soon. Really hope that we can all participate and reflect. dora.dev/survey. Thank you.